Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Model Shop Creations. Today, we'll be doing another update on my 1960 DeSoto adventure by Johan. But before we do that, I want to give a big thank you to Scale Models Midwest for shouting at my channel. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Okay, so first off, we have the interior. Now, this was freshly painted this morning, and if you haven't checked out my last video, check it out before this one, obviously, so you get all the updates. And I'm excited to take off the tape, and that's what we're doing exactly. So let me find a tool of choice. Let's go with a super sharp X-Acto knife and some of these pinchers. Alright, so this paint has fully set or cured, and we're going to be taking off the tape, and I really hope nothing goes wrong. Now, if you don't know what I'm going for a three-tone interior. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad, actually. With the more paint we peel off, the better it will look. I'm obviously going to clean up the the edges a little bit. Wow, look at that. It's looking really sweet already. Nice. And for this layer, we gotta be super careful. This is a big piece. That's layer number 1. It doesn't look too bad. Oh, let's take off this big piece. Look at that. Looking pretty good. And that's not all. There's more pieces. Right there. Boom. Now it's looking good. Nice. And last one back here. That was my phone. Sorry about that. Okay. There we go. So there's the finished result. I'm going to do some chrome around the door hinges on the side. Oh, no. Starting to crinkle up at the bottom right there. Oh, man, the camera's not focusing right there. That's not good. Well, at least it wasn't the entire car like last time. So that's the interior. Hopefully you guys like it. And just for some, little sneak peek, let's put the dashboard on. Bam. Looks pretty fresh. I mean, this is my first time doing a three-tone interior, so I'm pretty friggin' happy with it. I'll get better pictures later. Also, what's this mysterious thing? I don't know. Let's open it and find out. So, peel off the tape, unwrap it. Oh, what is it? it's glass. But look at how polished out that is. I wish I took a picture of it before, but I didn't. Hey, look, you can see the camera. Hopefully you can't see my face. But, yeah. Reflection. See the ring light? So what I did, I just took this, off tip. It's just this stuff. Step 1 and step 2. Micro polishing. Oh my god. Okay, I should really be more careful. Oh, that could have been, like, really bad. I'm just gonna put those heavy items away and not destroy my model kit. Holy crap. Okay, anyways, yeah, so I used that and I just burred it out with a Dremel and a little soft burr tip or whatever. And yeah, so that's the glass. I'm really, 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 really happy with how it came out. We have the chassis, which, as you can see, right here, we have the axle tubes, and this is made out of styrene. And I just cut them to the length, glued them in with this Bob Smith Industries Maxi Cure. And it's friggin' amazing. I 10 out of 10 do recommend. Oh yeah, imported by Sunward Hobbies. Go check them out. But yeah, so it sits on all fours. It doesn't wobble. So I fulfilled my whatchamacallit, my goal from the previous video. Oh no, did I just break the tire? Nope, I didn't. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, anyways, so that's all it is for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications to get notified when I upload. And definitely stay tuned, because I'm going to be uploading my final build, or my final result from this DeSoto. Wow, I can't believe how sparkly that is. Oh yeah, I took the hood off, so that's what it looks like with the hood. Stay tuned. Ooh. Yep. Alright, goodbye.